There's a tale of old the sea dogs told about the most fearsome marauder. He was such a brute, he'd call your loot, then he'd sail off with your daughter. Who's this lonesome rat ye say you sailed the seven seas? He'd take on all the merchant ships and bring them to their knees. Grog Mells, black heart to the core. Grog Mells, the gold he did adore. With a hand on the wheel and the other on his sword, you get strung up if you glanced at his hoard. You see, he was properly hard as nails, and they called him Grog Mells. Now I get the feeling you're not hearing how frightening he would be. He could skin your chest right through your vest while he cut the stuff your knees. He'd plow his ship through storms and seas no other pirate dared. He'd plunder all their lovers' loot, no treasure chest was spared. Grog Mells, black heart to the core. Grog Mells, pirate provocateur. Now is he dead? Cause we're not sure. I thought I saw him at the tavern next door. Yes, he is rather fond of ale, and they call him Groggery Bay.